All right, Nisha the PA, we are live.
Hey guys! Now, tonight we have our lovely patient here. We're treating him with FRACTORA. Now, FRACTORA is actually one of my favorite treatments, and what it is microneedling with radiofrequency. So this is a step above a little bit of if you do your maintenance therapy of microneedling. I really like FRACTORA because it's like the perfect treatment if you're going to treat something like your acne scar or textural problems. Now, I just did my client's forehead. The forehead tends to be a little bit more spicy, but as you proceed to treat the rest of the face, it tends to feel a little bit better, or the discomfort really isn't there. Still a little bit uncomfortable. We do our best to do a little bit of numbing beforehand, 30 to 45 minutes. We could do a little bit longer as well if you need to, and of course that will make the procedure a little bit more comfortable. So I'll show you guys how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and start treating his temple area. I'm gonna put this down just a little bit. Of course, the microneedling with the radiofrequency will help to resurface his acne scarring. He's already done a few sessions, so his acne scarring has improved a lot. And of course, he's back for his maintenance treatments.
Does facial hair affect this treatment?
No, we can treat past your facial hair. Because it's microneedling, it's going below the surface of the skin. So, of course, we love to have you clean shaven, but we can also treat within the beard area as well.
What is downtime like for this procedure?
Now, downtime is going to be very similar for any microneedling procedure. You may have a little pinpoint bleeding as you see here. Of course, you want to make sure you do sun avoidance. You want to go directly out into the sun. But he might be a little bit red, a little bit of pinpoint bleeding, but all of that should dissipate by tomorrow.
Is this safe for all skin types?
Yes, that's another reason why I love this particular one, is that you can use it on all skin types. Fitzpatrick 1 through 5, no problem at all. No risk or very low risk of hyperpigmentation. And like I said, this is a great treatment because you can combine it with a lot of other treatments that can address kind of all of your concerns. Some of my favorite other lasers to combine this with are things like Clear and Brilliant, which once again is a great laser for all skin types. Clear and Brilliant will address a lot of enlarged pores, fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation. So if you combine something like a Clear and Brilliant laser, very light, along with FRACTORA, that's something you can do on a monthly basis, and that's gonna make sure we keep your skin looking nice and fresh.
When do you start seeing results, and how often do you need to do this?
Now, you're going to see results. Part of that is really depending on how severe your textural problem is. If you have a lot of deep ice pick scarring, then you're going to need to combine this treatment with something like TCA cross or other measures that will help to increase your acne scarring. Now, for him, we saw a lot of great improvement after around 3 to 4 treatments, and we like to do it at least every 4 to 6 weeks. The biggest thing is you want to come in and get a consultation, because during the consultation, we'll be able to tell you what other lasers you want to combine it with, based on how your textural problems, how many treatments it's going to take. And a big part of it is really just dependent on the patient, the skin tone, what type of procedure they're able to do. But for him, or if you have similar concerns, it's going to be around 3 to 4 treatments, 4 to 6 weeks apart. If you really want to add another treatment to this, I really love to do PRP. Because right now your pores are nice and open, and the PRP will help with healing time and also be absorbed really nicely into the skin. Maybe turn a little bit more. Thank you.
Guys, as for our location, we are located in West Hollywood, California. If you do need to get a consultation with us, you can send us a DM with your full name, email, and phone number, or you can email us appointments@jasonemermd.com. We can also get you a consultation at emeragecosmetics.com.
Once again, this is FRACTORA, so this is microneedling with radiofrequency. A really amazing procedure if you have any type of acne scarring or textural concerns. Another great kind of combination therapy is I love combining this with Cosmetic peel. Your pores are nice and open, so if you do a Cosmetic peel on top of this, you're really gonna get some amazing results. Perfect. So, this is, pretty much this is the downtown. You can kind of take a look at them and see.
All right, Michael. I'm just asking in Spanish.
A little bit of redness, a little bit of pinpoint bleeding. But that's it, guys. It's a really, like I said, it's a really amazing procedure if you're on the go. You can do it once a month, every 4 to 6 weeks. You can combine it with a lot of our other different lasers, a lot of our other different treatments. And this will definitely address a lot of your textural concerns that you have. The number of treatments will really depend on kind of how severe your textural problems is, kind of what other treatments you're doing. But FRACTORA is kind of a staple if you have things like enlarged pores, acne scarring, you want just an overall smoother skin tone. If you want to step up from just microneedling, then FRACTORA, the microneedling with radiofrequency, is the way that you want to go.